Hey there, Dalia Home Improvement. This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing company, and I wanted to make sure that I could get this screencast over to you to show you some tips and tricks on some useful techniques that, if implemented correctly, are guaranteed to rank you a lot higher online and help you get more of that higher ranking competitions business. So before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this. I want to give you as much value as possible. So by the end of this video, you see that I have some knowledge in this space and you would like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out. I would love to chat. But if not, no harm, no foul. The only thing that we ask is that you let us know what we could have done better to have served you with more value in this video. So the three things I'm going to go over for you real fast, three things that are pretty easy to implement, and if implemented correctly are guaranteed to rank you a lot higher in Google. Those three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So starting with content, since we're on your homepage right here, what content is, it's going to be the actual written words of content that you have on your pages, the images in the forefront and the images in the background. Those are all considered pieces of content. So when it comes to the actual written words of content, we don't do less than 1,500 to 2,000 words of organic written content per homepage. The reason why you'd want it to be a lot more wordy is because you want to be able to pack in as many keywords as possible, but have it still flow and be organic, not just a bunch of keywords stacked on top of each other, because when the Google crawlers come onto your site and read your content, if it looks like it's just keyword on keyword on keyword, they're actually going to do the opposite of ranking you and put you back in the rankings because it'll be seen more as like spammy, essentially. When it comes to the images in the forefront and in the background, you just want all those images to be saved as the highest ranking keywords in your area for your services, because Google also tracks that and they'll read what your images are all saved as. So moving on to citations, what a citation is first, it's going to be your business's name, your business's address, and the business phone number as it is listed in the Google Map Pack section right here. So a citation is going to be the primary thing that actually ranks you in the Map Pack section, which is nowadays it's above the organic. So a lot of business goes right there because it's super, super convenient with the website and the direction information and whatnot. So you want as many citations in as many directories as possible, essentially. So what a directory is, it's going to be like Facebook, City Star, Yellow Pages, BBB, LinkedIn. It's going to be a platform online for businesses to put their business information, to make an account, a profile, and whatnot. So the more citations you have in the most directories, that's going to be the primary thing that ranks your site in the Map Pack section right here. So you can hopefully hit the top 3 spots. So moving into backlinks, so we can hop on this tool right here. This tool is called Ahrefs. It's a paid online SEO tool. I pay around $300 for my team and myself, but it's an amazing tool. And what you can do with it, as you can see, I have your site plugged in right here. But what you can do is you can look up the organic keywords your site has and what it's ranking for, your referring domains, and the referring domains are what give you your backlink. So what a backlink is, it's going to be a link from your site to another site and from other sites to your sites. So an example of a backlink, you could probably find, you will find backlinks on many pages online. If someone has a blog or some sort of piece of written content on their site and there's a clickable, let's say like we call them anchor phrases. So there's like a clickable anchor phrase right there that might be Bridgeport, Connecticut's best roofer. And that links to a different site. That would be a backlink. And the more backlinks you have, the higher you're going to rank. But with a caveat right there, backlinks are not all created equal. So if a backlink is going from your site to like a Home Depot, that would for sure rank your site because it's super relevant to the services and the industry and so on and so forth, right? But if it's linked to, let's say, a McDonald's, yeah, McDonald's has a bunch of authority online, being the billion-dollar business that it is. But since it's completely irrelevant to your business, it would actually do the opposite, and it would rank you back. Like your site would be seen as more spammy. So I have your site pulled up here. You have 2 referring domains, 64 backlinks, giving you 0 organic traffic per month. I have some of the higher ranking competition in your area right here, as you can see. I have that plugged into Ahrefs. They have 233 referring domains, giving them 1,900 backlinks, and that's giving them around 152 organic traffic. And I wanted to pull up one more for you, another one of your competition. They have 53 referring domains, giving them 704 backlinks, and they're actually beating out both of you guys with almost 400 organic traffic per month, really showing that it's the quality, not the quantity. And the great thing about this tool is that, okay, A Preferred Roofing has a lot more backlinks than me. They're getting a lot more traffic than I'm getting. Let me go into their backlinks, because I want to see exactly where they're getting their backlinks from. And I'm going to do the exact same thing that they're doing essentially. So when this loads up really fast, just go in here and check these guys out as well. There we go. So as you can see all of the websites that they're actually linking to and the pages on their site. And if you were to go on their sites and look at how, okay, well, this is the clickable word, the anchor phrase that's linking back to this site, that would be a direct backlink that's helping them rank a lot higher. And as you can see, expertise.com, homeblue.com, constructionjournal.com, businesses up, like a lot of things that are very, very relevant to the industry and the business and the site. And that is why they're getting almost 400 organic traffic per month, and I'm sure they're converting in a lot of those into clients. So I don't want to have this video run over too long. I hope that, like I said in the beginning of the video, I gave you some good value that you can use and implement into your business. And if you'd like our help, my marketing company's help, feel free to reach back. I would love to have a talk with you, but if not, all good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great one.